Recording in progress.
Hi, everyone. This is Will, working today on looking at different options to purchase a new home or additional home. One of the things I came across was Divvy Homes, and it seemed like a rent-to-own corporation. So I just went on the line and got pre-approved and just wanted to show you some things and just get your feedback and see what you think of. And see if anyone has any experience with Divvy Homes to please definitely share your experiences. All right, so just did pre-approval. I think I still have the website up. I was pre-approved for 159,000. I provided them a location in the Atlanta metropolitan area. So I'm gonna see what 159 will get me. The average price in the Atlanta metropolitan area, I think it is 480,000. So I'm gonna go back and use Zillow to see what's available to me. All right, I'm gonna share another one of the screens and let's see. All right, this is the email that I just received from Divvy. In general, congratulations on homeowner. I'm pre-qualified. These are just some of the details, things that are going on, some of the next steps in general. So I just completed this in probably a couple of minutes. All right, let me see. What else? I have another screen. I think I also started, well, let me go back again to see something. Right, yes, Zillow. All right, so I put in Zillow and looking at the area, and these are just some of the properties that I consider if I move back to the Atlanta area. The home types that I consider everything except for lots and land, because they said I qualify for 150 out of 9,000. Go ahead and stay in that mark. For my first home, when I qualified with HUD, they offered 220,000. I purchased my first HUD home for 105,000, stayed way below what was expected, and I went for a fixed rate, not a variable at that time. Now that I understand using velocity banking, maybe I would have made a better choice. Let's see, what else? Did I pull up anything else? Also went through and just tried to look at some of the reviews on Trustpilot of Divvy Homes. Let's see their average. This is their average rating review. Okay, this is the process in general. Let's see. Was looking at also a brief history of mortgage. I heard a lot about this death pledge, so I went back and tried to read the history of mortgages. And in addition to death pledge, there's also the Vivivum Vadium. I think I'm pronouncing it. The literal translation of this is living pledge. So in addition to the death pledge that a lot of velocity banking bankers talk about, YouTubers, there's also the Vivium Vadium that they don't talk about, which is the living pledge. So you can check that out also. Let's see. So I did the pre-approval, nothing there. General videos, nothing there. Again, just been watching a couple of videos on the history of the mortgage industry in general. Learned some interesting things about that. All right, so that's one of the things I just wanted to drop in and share and look at is if you or anyone you know have some experience or had some experience with Divvy, definitely leave the comments below, and I'll try to let you know how the process go. Is a rent to own operation. So see how they're able to develop, what's my process, what I need to do to learn more. The things that I'm gonna keep in mind as I look to Divvy, and also what I've learned from Velocity Banking. One, I want to make sure that I look at, once I get a mortgage, the mortgage represents a payment method. In terms of looking at Velocity Banking and getting another HELOC and placing that HELOC on a home, if I get it from Divvy, that is a cash flow method. So you have the management and then you have a method. Two different things. Individuals try to compare the two, but they're fundamentally two different things. One is a method of you each paying your mortgage on a regular basis, whereas the cash flow is looking at your resources, money, and how you can utilize it in a different way. Time, if I go with Divvy and I get the $159,000 mortgage, how long would I go? Would I go 5 years, 15 years, 20 years, or 30 years? And the balance. How would I attack the balance? Would I attack the balance or the principal? Yeah, let me write that down. The balance or the principal. A, yeah. In attacking the time balance and principle, would I rely more on the payment methods, structure of a mortgage, making extra payments, throwing chunks at it, or could I just use velocity banking, replace the entire mortgage with a all-in-one mortgage and go from there? So again, thank you very much for stopping by this morning, and if you have had any friends or experience with a Divvy, please just leave the comments below as I go through the process and continue to share this experience. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.